When you're searching for the best project management tools for your small business, Monday.com and Avaza are two options that might have crossed your mind. But which one truly stands out for your needs? In this video, we'll compare Monday.com and Avaza, highlighting their pros and cons to help you decide which is best for small business owners. Stick around, because I'll also share an alternative that might just be the game changer you've been looking for. First, let's talk about Monday.com. It's one of the most popular project management platforms out there, and for good reason. Monday.com shines when it comes to its visual interface. It's user-friendly, with color-coded boards that allow you to see your projects at a glance. But here's the thing, it can get overwhelming with so many options. There's a bit of a learning curve, especially for smaller teams that don't have the time or resources to dive deep into complex setups. Next thing, Monday.com offers a lot of flexibility with automations, integrations, and features, but as a small business owner, you might find yourself paying for more than you actually need. The pricing can quickly scale up as you add more users or features. So while it's an amazing tool for large teams, for smaller businesses, it might be hard to justify the cost. Now, let's shift gears to Avaza. Avaza is more straightforward, focusing on simplicity and ease of use. It offers project management, time tracking, and invoicing, all in one place, perfect for small businesses that don't want to juggle multiple tools. It's definitely easier to set up than Monday.com, but that simplicity can come at the cost of depth. If you need advanced customizations or heavy automation, Avaza might fall short. The fourth thing, when it comes to pricing, Avaza is more affordable. The free plan itself is quite generous, and even their premium plans tend to offer more value for money compared to Monday.com. However, this simplicity and affordability come with limitations, especially when it comes to handling larger teams or more complex workflows. So if you're growing fast, you might find Avaza doesn't scale as well as Monday.com. Next, let's talk about customer support. Monday.com has been praised for its responsive customer support, which is a huge plus when you run into issues. Avaza, on the other hand, has mixed reviews. Some users report quick responses, while others feel that support could be more helpful, especially when trying to troubleshoot specific problems. So, after considering all of this, which is better for small business owners? If you're looking for an easy-to-use, affordable option with decent features for managing projects, Avaza might be your best bet. But if you're willing to invest in something more powerful and are comfortable with a steeper learning curve, Monday.com could serve you well. That said, if you're after a better alternative that combines ease of use, affordability, and powerful features specifically tailored to small business needs, I highly recommend checking out the first link in the description. I've tried all of these tools myself, and after testing them extensively, I can confidently say that this alternative stands out. Click the link for an exclusive free trial and some added benefits only available to our viewers. Trust me, it'll save you time and money while keeping things simple. Don't miss out.